Hello YouTube, this is Johnny. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to USB boot your Lenovo ThinkPad. In my case I have the Lenovo H laptop, so this could work on other ThinkPads. So I'm going to go ahead and click the power key to power on the laptop. Then I'll go ahead and click F12. So F12 will take me to the boot menu. So when you reach the boot menu, we have the USB drive here when you click the down arrow key. So this doesn't work. Even if I do it very many times, it won't work. So what you're going to do, I want you to go ahead and click Ctrl Alt Delete to restart your PC. You could also switch it off. Then you click F1. So let me first switch it off completely. I'm going to power it on again. So you have to make sure you're very fast. F1. So when you hear that beep, to take you to the BIOS setup. So in the BIOS setup, we have the configuration and we have the menu here that shows every detail about the PC. So I want you to go to configurations. So when you reach configuration, you will see USB here. When you see USB, so they show you the instructions here, what you do. You go ahead and click enter, then you enable. You have to enable all these options, as you can see on what I'm doing. So after that, you can go ahead and click F10 to save changes. By my case here, I'm going to click F10 and click enter. Then I'll click F12 to go to the BIOS, to go to the boot menu. When I reach the boot menu, I have my option here, the USB itself. So I'm going to click enter, and this will ask me to click any key. Then I'll click any key so that it loads the files from the USB drive. And this would work on other Lenovo ThinkPads as long as the BIOS is on F1 and the boot menu is on F2. This would work very well. So we wait for the computer to load files, and you'll see the progress bar. So when the progress bar loads, to bring our Windows files. So in my case, I have Windows 8.1 on my Lenovo ThinkPad. I'm going to put Windows 8.1, and this would work on Windows 10 laptops. So we have the USB having the Windows 8.1 files. It's a bootable USB drive. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload this full video like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.